Hi, I'm Trey Taylor, and welcome back to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. If you're thinking about filing for divorce in Texas, or you've already made the decision but aren't sure where to start, you're not alone. Divorce can feel overwhelming, but the truth is it doesn't have to be. Today, I'm going to walk you through a clear step-by-step guide to help you understand how to start your divorce in Texas, from the very first decision to the initial court filings and everything in between. Whether your case is uncontested, contested, or somewhere in between, this video will help you feel more confident, informed, and ready to take the next step. Before you can file for divorce in Texas, you or your spouse must have lived in the state for at least 6 months, and in the county where you're filing for at least 90 days. If you're in the military or your spouse is, you can still qualify under special rules as long as Texas is your permanent residence. There are two types of divorce in Texas: uncontested and contested. An uncontested divorce means you and your spouse agree on all the key terms, like property division, child custody, and support. These are typically faster and less expensive. A contested divorce means you don't agree on one or more major issues, and the court will likely need to get involved to help resolve the dispute. The divorce process officially begins when one spouse files an original petition for divorce with the district court in your county. This legal document outlines what you're asking the court to decide, such as how to divide property or set custody orders. Once filed, your case is given a cause number and assigned to a family court. After filing, your spouse must be legally served with a copy of the petition and a notice of the filing. This is typically done by a constable or a process server. Your spouse then has a set period, usually 20 days plus the following Monday, to file a response. In uncontested cases, your spouse can waive service by signing a waiver of citation. Texas law requires a 60-day waiting period from the date of filing before a divorce can be finalized, unless family violence is involved. Use this time to negotiate, attend mediation, and gather documentation on your finances, property, and children. Getting started is often the hardest part, but once you take that first step, you'll find clarity and momentum. If you're ready to begin, visit bryanfagan.com to schedule your free consultation. You don't have to do this alone. We're here to walk with you every step of the way.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.